Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another episode of RnR. We are at, for those of you who don't know, we are at Benji's Drive-In Movie Theater. It's been a while since I've been here too, so we got the truck set up. There's my baby. There's the bed right here, fan, blanket just in case we get
that we
cold.
had to buy from Macy's because we forgot a blanket. This blanket was $13 on sale.
Yeah, but you guys already know what movie we're going to see. We're going to see Fast and Furious 9. Hopefully it's the last movie because they're taking it too far. They're going outer space now. But there's the screen right there. The sun's about to set. It's going to be the second movie we watch, dude. Also, when you guys buy a ticket from Benji's, it's basically one price for 3 movies. And it's pretty nice. It's pretty cool. You can leave whenever you want. But the only thing they're strict about is your car and bringing outside food into place.
But we brought a water bottle.
She thinks she's bad because she brought a water bottle.
Yeah, I'm bad. I'm real bad.
It's a nice vibe out here. Alright, we see y'all.
How many dummies does it take to set up an umbrella? For my vlog.
You want to hit harder than that? Yeah, no problem. Go ahead, pop it up, man.
That's action, look. That's action.
This is not the type of action I wanted.
Please, please, come on, come on.
You thought you had. Oh, Lord, Robbie. Look at Robbie. Robbie is waiting. Like, please, stop. Man, look at
What in the world? Paparazzi, please. Please stop paparazzi. Robbie got this from 97 cents from Walmart, y'all. He just blew it up. All right, let's go. Why you fall? I don't think you can get him there.
Alright, they about to run plays. Rihanna and Raina. Look back! Oh! Yes, I got them! Yes! You done?
I was going down,
but I couldn't stop.
I would have had. Oh! 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 Intercept it.
Got the shot it.
Get it. Oh!
Touchdown. Come on, baby.
There she go.
Oh!
Turn around, man. Come on now, yo.
Oh! Good job, baby.